You can't outdo the doer. You can't outshine the shiner, baby. That song is living rent-free in my head right now. Like, just the tail end of that song, y'all. Like, what? I cannot get it out of my head. My boyfriend is so sick and tired of me saying that over and over and over again. Is that stuck in anyone else's head? Hi dolls and gents, I am back with a new video on this wig install right here. I love this half up, half down style with this little bang in the front. I think it's so freaking cute. I want to give a huge shout out for Klaiyi hair for sponsoring today's video. I love their wigs. This one did not disappoint. So I am rocking their 24-inch jerry curl texture, and this is a lace frontal wig. It is a 13x4 lace frontal wig. The lace on this baby looks good. It was so easy to lay this lace down, y'all. You will see how quickly I laid the lace in this install. I think this is the quickest I've ever put my wig on before. The wig does come pre-plucked, but I did go in and pluck it just a little bit more, but I really didn't have to do much because they did quite a bit of plucking to this wig. So it looked really nice and natural when I put it on. It has a lot of dips and grooves in the hairline, which is what we want. So if you are not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you doing? Click that subscribe button, hit that bell so you're notified as soon as your girl posts a new video. And if you would like to see how I install this wig today, as well as styled it in this cute half up, half down with these little bangs in the front, y'all know what to do. Definitely stay tuned. So my wig arrived in this gorgeous green box, and inside of the box was this goodie bag. It has an elastic band, wig cap, eyelashes, and a powder brush. The wig does come with a plucked hairline, but I went ahead and bleached the knots and I did a bit more plucking. You do not have to do this step, but I just did it to make the wig look more natural when I install it. And here is the natural texture of the hair after co-washing. Some of the hair up top did get a bit frizzy because I was plucking the hairline. So here is the inside of the cap. It does have 2 wig combs in the front, 1 in the back, with extra lace and adjustable straps for a glueless wear if that's what you would like. I went ahead and put my straps together, and I'm gonna throw the wig on my head and line up that lace with my hairline. So let's go ahead and remove that excess lace. I am doing it in a zigzag motion so it looks very natural. Today, I'm gonna lay my lace with the red Eben wig spray, and I'm spraying this across my entire hairline, and then I'm gonna wait for it to get nice and tacky to lay my wig down. Now it's time to lay the lace on top of that wig spray once it's tacky, and literally it is just gripping that wig, y'all. It was so easy to install this wig today. I didn't have to use a blow dryer. I did go in with an elastic band, but it really was not necessary with this wig install. It is going down so easily. So now it's time to get that hair out the way. So I'm gonna pin it up, and then I am going to install the elastic band, y'all. This is what gives the install that super flat melted look. I went ahead and I did my makeup, super beat, but a natural, like soft glam beat. I'm not even wearing eyeshadow today type beat. If y'all want a tutorial on this, let me know. Like, this is so simple, so I don't know if y'all want a tutorial, but if you do, I got you. So I'm just showing you what a middle parting looks like on this wig. The parting space is super natural. It does have freestyle parting, so you can part it wherever on the frontal. And here is the hairline. It's not HD lace, it's transparent lace, but it still looks really nice. And you can also part it on the side, but right now I'm gonna go ahead and do like a little front bang, like 2 little bangs in front. I don't know if that's what you would call it, but that's what I'm calling it. So I'm gonna pin the hair out the way while I get that bang together. I'm gonna go ahead and twist the hair and then get it out the way so that I can do like a half up, half down type of style. So I'm also gonna pull out 2 pieces of hair near the ear tabs on both sides, and we're gonna define these curls later. But first, we're gonna go ahead and get the hair situated so that we can put it in a half up, half down style. So I'm seeing how much hair I wanna section off for my ponytail right now. I'm gonna take a mixture of water and leave-in conditioner and spray it on the top of my hair so I could slick it back. I didn't want to get rid of the texture, so I went in with this mixture instead of using a hot comb. And then I'm using a little bit of styling mousse and I'm going to put that over top. And then we're going to go ahead and brush the hair and put it up in a ponytail. So now it's time to define those bangs. So let's go ahead and take that twist out. I'm going to repart it so my parting is in the middle of my head, and I'm using that spray mixture again, the water with leave-in conditioner. It's actually Kinky Curly Not Today leave-in. And I'm going to spray it on both sides, and we're going to shingle the curls to get them nice and defined. And I'm going to do the exact same thing on the curls near the ear tabs, those 2 pieces of hair that we left out over there. So we're going to spray it with the spray bottle mixture and then shingle those curls as well. And lastly, we're gonna define the curls on the ponytail because those did get a bit frizzy. So I'm just taking the spray bottle mixture and running through the curls with my fingers just to redefine those curls. I think the style turned out super cute, y'all. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Would you rock this style? Because I am loving it. I think it's super cute for a date night or just like going out with your girls, but she's super cute in the front, back, side. Yes. So my hair turned out cute. I did not want my hair to be like super wet because I am going outside. I'm about to go on a dinner date with my boo. So I wanted to do like kind of like a half up, half down style. And this is super simple to do. I love the texture of this hair. If you are interested in purchasing this wig from Klaiyi Hair, I will have a link down below in the description box for you guys, as well as any coupon codes that they provide me with. I want to thank you all so much for watching my video. I truly do appreciate each and every one of you, and I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye. If y'all have not already watched my latest video, you ain't gotta tell me. Just go ahead, click the box right here and watch it right now.